StockPulse on location, Sprott Symposium, Vancouver. I've got Brett Heath, President and CEO, Metalla Royalties. That's MTA on the venture, MTAFF down in the States in the OTC QB. Hey, Brett, appreciate the update here. What's new and exciting with Metalla? What's going on?
Well, thanks for having me. Metalla, we are, again, I guess as a refresher, we're a precious metals royalty company. We've been around for a little less than 3 years. We now have 43 royalties. So that's 13 transactions in less than 3 years. We've built a big portfolio, and that's just really based on our business model and our approach to the sector that's made us been able to kind of scale up at this rate.
So what's your secret to success?
Our secret? Well, our secret to success is focusing on a part of the market which we call the secondary market. And the reason why we focus on this part of the market, so the secondary market are all the pre-existing royalties that exist. The reason why we focus on this is because the target royalty that we want to acquire in our company is a royalty on a bigger project and a bigger producer. But when we're trying to do smaller transactions, these big companies oftentimes won't take small checks. They'll never encumber their properties. But we've been able to really provide a platform for these secondary holders and bring in just some amazing assets. We've got royalties on multiple properties from Agnico Eagle. We've got a couple royalties on a couple development assets expected to be in production in the second half of this year from Pan American Silver. A bunch of other, really solid operators, and that's kind of our focus.
Yeah. So take us through here. A good gold market. Imagine a lot of action out there.
Mm-hmm. There's lots of action. There's, no doubt that we're seeing, what I would say is it looks like to be a real breakout, and we're seeing a lot of interest come back. There's also a big benefit from us because we've been able to acquire so much during the downturn that there's just a huge amount of leverage in the underlying portfolio. And as the market comes back, all of these projects that are being advanced, whether they're exploration, they're going to get drilled. If they're development projects, they're going to get built. I mean, everything happens in these upcycles. So being able to plan all that over the last few years and really put together, a phenomenal kind of foundational portfolio, we're excited. And, I think from here with this, the 43 royalties that we've got now, I think we'll be able to scale into bigger, more attractive royalties and hopefully continue to grow the company at the rate we've been.
Okay, that's Brett Heath. He's the president and CEO of Metalla Royalties, MTA on the venture, MTAFF on the OTCQB. Hey, Brett, appreciate the update.
Thank you.